My name is Crebby Mumbuna. I'm proud to be associated with TAU, that's the Texila American University, where I just successfully completed my DBA. That's a PhD in technological entrepreneurship. It was a lovely journey interacting with professionals. The faculty was excellent. The supervisor, I had a supervisor, Dr. N.S. Shanti, excellent woman. I also had a local supervisor, Dr. Rupe Mwanza. These are brilliant women, ladies that really helped me focus on my dissertation and just come out on top, especially with technologies on how to measure what I was discussing in that topic. Texila has been a very good experience, not easy, of course. It took a toll on me, especially on my time and trying to divide family life, school life, and business. But it was worth it. The wealth of knowledge that I've gained from that has positioned me to take on the world. And I want to wish anyone else that is looking for a school where you're going to find professionals who are going to help you with capabilities in as far as knowledge is concerned, not to look further, but to consider Texila American University. I'm proud to be associated with this wonderful school, and it's been a pleasure and joy to work with the faculty. I thank you.